Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install .NET on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So here in Google search box write there .NET, then go on this .NET Microsoft.com site. Then click on this download button. So here .NET 10 is the latest, you need to click this. Then you can select your Linux operating system. So Debian, Open, SEO, Alpine. Let's use their Ubuntu. Here you can select your Ubuntu version 26, that's fine. Then after here you can get this .NET 8, 9, 10. To install the .NET 10 SDK, you need to copy this command. Thereafter, let's open their terminal. So this is closing. Thereafter, let's increase the size little bit. So first is for update. Now second is for install the .NET SDK. Press enter, give their password. So this is now doing some update. And here you can see .NET Runtime. So this is now downloading the .NET. After waiting few second times here, you can see .NET that install. Let's use the clear command. If I write .NET minus minus version, so you can see this 10 version that install. If I write there .NET, then you can get this here .NET minus minus info. So you can get this one runtime this install. Let's use the clear command here .NET. So here, if you want to get the list of runtimes, so write there .NET, then list, then minus runtimes. So here you can see ASP.NET code that install and this here. So this is how we can install this .NET on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.